Found an old photo of your grandma, but it is damaged, scratched, or falling apart? Let me show you how to restore it and turn it into something you can keep forever. First, navigate to imag-r in the main menu. For this video, I am using Advanced Mode. Upload the photo you want to restore. Once the image is uploaded, press Ctrl+K to open the search. Search for Photo Restoration. Once the feature is selected, it runs immediately. And within just a few seconds, all scratches, creases, and damage are intelligently repaired. Now I search again using Ctrl+K for AI Upscale because the image is too small for a clean engraving. I change the factor to ×4 to bring the image up to approximately 3000 by 2000 pixels. The big advantage of ImagR's upscale function is that it does not just stretch the image. It intelligently expands the pixels to preserve and enhance detail. In the next step, I search for 1 click to prepare the image for engraving. I change my measurement unit to millimeters and set the width to 250. The height calculates automatically to keep the right proportions. For my 80-watt CO2 laser with a compound lens, I am using 318 dpi. I select wood as my material, click Preview, and within seconds, the image is optimally prepared for wood engraving. Do not be put off by how pixelated the preview looks. This is a display issue because most monitors cannot show this many dpi. If you zoom in, you will see that the image has been processed cleanly. Right-click on the image to open the export option and download it as a PNG. Import it into your laser software. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I am using 120 millimeters per second, 15% maximum power, and 1% minimum power. Make sure pass-through is enabled. This prevents lightburn from reprocessing the image and overwriting all the work we just did. That is all there is to it. Now we can start the engraving. I am engraving on 3mm birch plywood, held flat with magnets on an iron plate. This ensures the distance to the lens stays perfectly consistent, and the entire surface remains in focus. And as you can already see while it is running, great details, beautiful brown tones, and zero artifacts. At the end, I use a soft brush to remove any dust or residue left from the engraving process. And here it is. A beautiful portrait from a photo that was basically destroyed. The whole process was straightforward and done in just a few minutes. Restore your own photo today at imag-r.com. No account needed, completely free.